Salam, my name is Negar.
Salam, my name is Sina.
We are excited to release our Persian alphabet learning videos.
And we hope you enjoy learning Persian alphabet by watching them.
I work for Farsimond and I've studied linguistics and sociolinguistics. I've been Persian tutor, translator, and interpreter for over a decade.
I studied cinema, but because I love teaching Persian, I work as a Persian tutor and a graphic artist for Farsimond.
Before going to the videos, we'd like to give you some information about our teaching methods. We are not going to teach you the letters one by one from A to Z. Instead, we introduce some simple but frequently used Persian words and their pronunciations by using a simplified IPA transcribing system and pictures. After learning the new vocabulary, you'll learn how to write the whole word. Finally, the letters will be introduced separately and in different fonts.
The order of teaching letters is based on their frequency and the list of the words we used in our books. To learn the conventional order of Persian alphabet letters, you can use our phonetic page.
The videos are designed in 13 main episodes. In each episode, you are going to learn 4 to 6 new words and 2 to 5 new letters. Then you can do exercises to practice more.
The teaching method of these videos is similar to Farsimond Fundamental book. We use this book for our online and in-person classes. If you are interested in buying our books or other videos, please contact us.
The last thing to say about our teaching method is that our transcription is based on simplified IPA system. So most of the letters have an equivalent in Latin alphabet. But to get familiar with our transcribing system and Persian sounds, you can refer to our phonetic page on the Farsimond website.
Now, some facts about Persian script. The first challenge for those who are used to the Latin alphabet system is that we write from right to left. So you need to switch to the new system.
True, but let's look at this challenge in another way. It is said that learning a new language opens a window to a new world. Learning how to read and write in Persian is not just a window. Have you ever heard about mindfulness courses where you're asked to switch off your autopilot and do your daily routines in a different way? The same here, because you need to change your brain setting and force it to look differently at the writing process. Actually, for most of my students, writing in Persian seems like doing meditation.
One more thing to say is that you may get confused with the number of dots in Persian letters. To add to the confusion, we do not show short vowels most of the time.
Sina, please do not scare the learners. Persian script is not that difficult after all, and we are doing our best to teach it with the easiest and the most enjoyable method. Most of our Farsi learners learned it in less than a month. To encourage you more, I should say that if you learn Persian alphabet, you'll be able to read Arabic and many other languages, because we use the same writing system with slight differences. So 2 birds with 1 stone.
Yeah, we also have many Arabic borrowed words, but with Persian pronunciation.
You're right. That part is a little bit confusing. But do you know any language that doesn't have this kind of challenges? It's just a matter of practice and getting used to. And we are here to help you whenever you face any problem.
Okay, accepted. I think we are ready to start teaching, aren't we?
Wait, what about those who do not speak English? Eğer İngilizce konuşmuyorsunuz veya Farsça öğrenirken İngilizce kullanmak istemiyorsunuz, ben B1 levelde Türkçe konuşuyorum ve size yardımcı olabilirim.
Ich besitze Deutschkenntnisse mit dem Niveau B1, falls Sie nicht so gerne in Englisch kommunizieren möchten.
Si vous ne parlez pas anglais, ou si vous ne souhaitez pas apprendre le farsi en anglais, je propose aussi des cours en français. J'ai un niveau bien B2 et je serai ravie de vous aider.
خب اینجا چه فارسی بگم؟
بله صاحب اختیاری.
اگه فارسی صحبت میکنید اما به هر دلیلی خوندن و نوشتن بلد نیستید میتونید برای شروع از این ویدیو کمک بگیرید. برای خوندن متن‌های سطوح بالاتر، شعرها و داستانها هم میتونید روی کلاس‌های آنلاین ما حساب کنید.
Don't forget that all the pictures and drawings which are used in these videos are original and done by our illustrator Bahar Zargaran. Please do not use them without mentioning Farsimond.
The background music is by our colleague Navid Sheikh. If you like it, let us know or check his YouTube channel.
If you enjoyed learning Persian alphabet by using our free videos, please subscribe to our channel, introduce us to your friends, and support us.
Please don't forget to like the videos and leave comments.
خدا
نگهدار.